Blackest thing I ever know. And then you buy the cream, you rub it on your skin. Let me say that where it all begin. You rub some on your neck, you rub it on your back. Say you a go rub it any rich party black. You rub some on your chest, you put it on your face. Cause you say hot girl no have time for waste.
Welcome back. And no, I'm not gonna be speaking long tonight. So you guys need not to complain. Alright? Just get your water, cause you're gonna laugh till you cough. Before we start laughing, just like the video for me, please. Now let's get into the action.
Yeah, you don't call me name yet.
But I've been saying number 4.
How are you? After me no name number 4. What? Hello. Me name Sister of Faith.
Sister of 8.
Faith.
Faith, come.
Thanks.
Sister of 8. 8 what?
Hello.
Morning, ma'am.
God bless you.
What's your name, ma'am?
Sister of Faith.
Sister of Faith.
You know, before we go any further, can we bow our head in a word of prayer?
Sure.
Oh my God. As I look down on this man right about now, who about to give me the visa into the book, and let me leave up on the gully back. I pray. You have a kid, you have a son, right?
Yes.
I'm 14-year-old, right?
No, it's 15.
1 year different, 1 year. You see, I'm good. You know, so that boy is gonna pass his JXC exam and go to a big high school in Jamaica.
Oh, really? He's been studying very well.
Very well. Little boy don't look about. But look here now, you supposed to give me the visa because Father Olong sent me up here.
Oh, really? Father Olang is my friend.
Yeah, look on the line, you see my passport, you can just stamp it in here.
Okay, I saw your name.
Yes, girly.
Okay, you said you know Father Olang, right?
He's a good friend of mine. We go to church and he teach me Bible study and all something.
Okay, you know what? Today, I'm gonna ask you questions from the Bible.
Ask me any question, man, any question.
Okay, the first question, where were Jesus from?
Where were Jesus from?
Yes.
Oh, then... Me think the man will go ask me one hard question. Everybody knows that Jesus come from Kingston.
No, man. Oi. The man is not number... Sister Ack. Shim is not number 4. Shima play number 2. Where is Jesus from? Well, Jesus was born where? In Bethlehem. Yeah, but Jesus grew up where? Jerusalem. That's how you go. Anyways, no one couldn't answer the question. They said, don't laugh off fire, man. But that was a nice piece of play, Sister Ack. Me never know say Jamaica have Sister Ack. Watcha. Anyways, me not tell a lie. The piece make me, give me a nice little laugh. We gonna move on to the next little piece.
Just let me go. True, you want to come back down here to your gal. You leave a nice job I got for you.
Which nice job? You want me to be a dad and you for the rest of my life? That can't work. Needs a man.
You don't want to make I want laugh.
You know what? You go and laugh on the other side. You know what she is when I'm done with you.
What are you? What's wrong with you?
No.
Yeah?
Yes, you think I'm a fool. You think I'm an idiot. I know she. Why you come back down here?
That?
It's 8 years I know you're not 20, and I know what turn your head.
That the wife dog dead?
Yes, I know it's those roughneck ghetto women you like.
But if she was the last woman on this earth, I would have preferred there with Miss Karma and her 5 daughters. So more
I say you only go stop.
What do you?
What the man say? Boy, I get a girl, me have to big up and trust. Boy, I get a girl, me have to love up and trust. Get a girl, big up on the stomach, Beanie Man and Lost, we love you so much. And where next song go? Give me the girl and with the wicked Islam. The kind of girl we know if you love up she man. Man, if you want to get the medal, you have to get a slam from a wheel, get a girl cause. Get a girl know if you pedal down wheel and do the banana peel. And if you want to have good loving feel, you have to find a girl long a max feel. Okay, get a girl know where man them want. So all the uptown man them, most uptown man they have a woman in a ghetto. Talk it truth. I know so you get your money every weekend time. Eh? Talk truth. Yeah man, you get a girl they know if you do man. Anyways, this a man I left uptown gone downtown because he know say downtown have the best ride. Bus ride, me I talk about. On to the next piece. You guys are laughing, don't? If you laugh, like the video man. Yeah.
Talk to him, you know.
No, can't fight in the people. Please. What? Please.
Talk to that piece.
Remember when we met 6 months ago? Girl, you were the blackest thing I ever know. And then you buy the cream, you rub it on your skin. Let me say that where it all begin. You rub some on your neck, you rub it on your back. Say you are go rub it any rich party black. You rub some on your chest, you put it on your face. Cause you say hot girl no have time for waste. You put some on your hand, put it on your foot. Say you are go put it any rich party put. The girl them may a bleach, bleach, bleach. The girl them may a bleach, rub, rub. The girl them may a bleach, bleach, bleach. The girl them may a bleach, rub, rub.
After that shot, boy, you know. Who the next one that will come in now? Then I never say a band brown. A big joke this.
No matter how much they rub their face, they rub their hand, the knuckles never lie. What me say? The knuckles never lie. Yeah man, me there one Jamaican restaurant the other day. Cause me never feel for cooking in the evening, so me go out. Dutch pot. Hey, have to big up Dutch pot cause Dutch pot for them restaurant have a lunch special right throughout the day. Morning, noon or night you can get a $5 plate. And if plate loaded same way, so big up Dutch pot. Yeah man. So me go there for buy 2 lunch special, one for me and my friend. My son rather. And me see one nice brownie coming in a star. Me I say, watch ya. But from look on the face, it kind of pinkish. So me I say, yo, the brownie don't look real. So me start look up and down. And she cover, everywhere cover except her face and her knuckles. And when me see knuckles, me see hand brown and the knuckles black. And me say, yeah, he's a bleach as that. Be proud of your skin, man. Be proud of your skin. You see chocolate, girls them will keep their skin chocolate. Love or not. You see caramel like my skin. Love or not. You see what you call it, light skin them were natural. Love or not. You see pink one them, pinky. Anyways, we come to the end of another video. I hope you really enjoy it. I hope you like it. I say the views are go up. I appreciate it. Big up yourself, Miss Freighter. You always comment. I know you share video them too. Miss Campbell, big up yourself. You comment and share video them. Mr. Potter, big up yourself. And Miss Johnson, thanks for that suggestion. You bring me back. Forget so King of Comedy videos. Oliver Samuel, big up yourself, big up everybody who watched, big up all the subscribers. We're almost there, 35,000 subscribers. Like your video if you haven't subscribed, click the notification bell. Stay safe. God bless.